In this video, I'll be using this $12 account to $62. I'm scalping, so I'll just claim my profit now. I took my buy entry because this is a flag pattern, and flag patterns like this they usually break up to the upside. Knowing this, that was why I placed my buy entry, and it's just went up, and that was a nice one. Okay, I'm currently taking my sell position here from jump 25 index, and if you can look carefully, you can see that the price has been buying for some time now after it broke out from this bearish flag. It went upward. Now what usually happens that after the liquidity has been taken, the price will push upward to the next supply zone or the next key resistance zone. And if you look carefully from this shadow zone, we have what we call a bearish engulfing candle, and just this shadow zone at the downside here, that's where price is going to push all the way downwards to, because price will want to put to the nearest supply and demand zone or the nearest support zone, and that's my take profit, and this is my stop loss as well. So basically is a it just we show 1 to 1, we show 1 to 1, the risk to the reward which is 1 to 1. And if you can look carefully, you can see that price from the lower time frame, like the 15 minutes, is already making some supply zones for us to enter. Now, I came back. This is why I love the jumps. They are very, 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 very fast. And I'm scalping. So I'll claim my profit, and I'll look for another entry to place my trade. After a while, you can see that the price just shot. In fact, it just went down within a short time. It didn't take much time. It went down. This is why I love the jumps. They are very, very nice for raising small account. And when you're raising small account, you don't have to always go for margin. Just take it bit by bit. And now I expect that the price would push upwards, get to that top supply zone and push downward. And I'll be closing my trade here because the price, I believe, it would buy for a short time and sell for a long time overall. So, and there's a possibility of it not even buying at all. But I'm very sure it's going to sell. I'm very sure it will sell. So that's why I closed my buy trade and I opened my sell entry here. So I'm expecting the price that there are two things, that are two possible scenarios. Either the price would possibly sell from here now, or it will push upward a little bit to the nearest to the top supply zone, touch the trend line and push downwards, or the price can just sell right now. And if you can look carefully, if you can look carefully, there's a very quite high possibility yet that it may buy, and by the time you get to the trend line and to the upper supply zone, it will push downwards, or the price will just sell from this point. But you know what? Knowing that it will definitely sell, it is why that I would place my sell here, and there you see, amazingly, it just should. Imagine if I had placed a buy entry, the accounts would have possibly gone out. Now, so this is why you have to understand that um you have to look at the long term market structure. If I was scalping from the 1 minute time frame, placing a buy would have been ideal. But since I'm not taking my entry from the 1 minute time frame, my entry is focused on the 15 minutes time frame. It was wise of me to close my buy entry. And if you look carefully from the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that um from the shadow zone upwards, that is a very powerful zone. So price would sometimes it does happen. The price would go upward first before it sells. But for now, the price never went upward. It just came down. And if you look at this shadow zone, this is also a powerful supply zone. That's from the 5 minutes time frame. So that was why price reacted to it, and by the time the price sold and came all the way downwards. Please remember, guys, like this video. Please like the video, subscribe, and ask your questions, and I'll give the answers. And I know that some of us, we have been waiting for my signals. We can start giving signals. Don't worry, I told you guys, by the time we get to 1,000 subscribers, I will start giving out free signals. But there's something you have to understand there about giving out signals. You have to apply risk management, because if failure to do so would make it be that you would end up blowing your account. It's not as if the signal is not right or not accurate, but because you went full margin, your account would just go out. Now this is another account from another entry, because what I'm doing is just to tell you how to show you how to reach small accounts, how to reach small accounts. And this is a $50 account, and I went full margin on this one. I went full margin. If you look at the overall market trend, this is a downward trend market, and having to buy at any point on this market, it would really have been dangerous. From the one hand side, but you can see our drop is drop. That's a powerful sell point. And if you look carefully, when the price came upward, the price came to the nearest supply zone, and the price sold so well. These two shadow zones I mark, those two shadow zones, they are what we call, we have the first drop base drop and the other drop base drop. All these are powerful sell zones. And whenever price get to this point, at least there might be an initial reaction. And for those who scalp aggressively, they can put a lot of positions, and there you go. And I found this entry on the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. And I've closed the trade now. So I have to turn on the history. I opened my position from the top, and the price went all the way down. Most times, if you look at the far left, you can see that strong supply zone here. Yes, this zone. So that's a very strong supply zone. And the reason why I closed my trade was that if you look carefully again from the 15 minutes time frame, we have a rally based rally. That's this little shadow zone over there. So I had to close my trade. And another confirmation for a sell. If you but put on your awesome oscillator, you could see that it was making a divergence. And now this is another entry again from the USD card. And initially when I opened my position, it went a little bit downward. I've closed the trade now, but you have to understand something here is that um when trading, you have to apply maximum risk management, especially for beginners. And it's also advisable that you start with the 4 hours time frame, because they are stronger over time. As you become better, you can start going down to the other lower time frame to help you trade better. And remember, guys, please like the video, subscribe. And if you can look carefully, this is what we call a bearish flag. Bearish flag, they always go bullish. And this is a key supply zone. So it will be wise that so it was wise of me to close my trade here. And that's it, guys. Remember